Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking down ethics and legality. Confirm documented consent and age verification for every person and voice you plan to represent. Once done, pick an AI approach that avoids explicit deepfakes, text, stylized avatars, or non-sexual enhancements, and secure usage rights for any models or assets. Make sure to set up your platform account, payment settings, and tax details so revenue flows correctly. These steps prevent takedowns and earnings delays. Next, construct a workflow that protects creators and subscribers. Choose reputable APIs or on-device models with clear licensing and privacy guarantees. Then design a content pipeline. Craft prompts, run automated moderation, generate previews, and gate content behind paywalls. Integrate watermarking, metadata, and explicit content filters so outputs remain compliant. Make sure to log provenance and consent records. This helps address disputes and maintain trust while scaling production safely and transparently. Finally, soft launch to a controlled audience and collect qualitative feedback so you can iterate before broad promotion. Once live, monitor takedowns, model drift, and user reports closely and adjust moderation rules and prompt designs accordingly. Maintain a clear takedown and refund policy. If something goes wrong, immediately revoke the questionable asset, suspend distribution, and reevaluate consent and model outputs. Retrain or replace assets only after resolving the underlying ethical or technical issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.